Cards first. I'll show you.
Move.
I'm gonna go over here.
Right there in the corner.
What? That's not on your card.
Well, I said buy my car.
Oh,
You have to read the cards first.
here's one. It says, wait.
Who's Lexi?
It's a smelly face.
What does it say, Brooklyn?
I haven't opened it yet.
We'll open it.
I can't read it when it's singing it though.
Want me to read it? It says, if magic really happens, if wishes do come true, then you'll be the perfect birthday being wished for you. Happy 7th birthday. It says, Brooklyn, I'm so excited. Wishes really do come true. I wish to be with you for your birthday and open the bag. What yours says? It says, Lexi, it's been a while since I've seen your smile. Can't wait to see you again.
Did you know she was going to be here? How was that for a birthday surprise? Good. I love you. I love you.
I
Cross-dressing.
Oh, man, that was gross.